back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Natalie Manassian and I'm going to be showing you how I edit my Instagram pictures. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit that bell so you guys can get notified on when I upload. Give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's jump right into this video. First things first, please excuse my plain wall that's behind me. We just moved into a new home and I haven't had time to decorate my room the way I want it to look. So bear with me on this plain wall behind me and let's just continue on with the video. So I bought a package of presets on Etsy and it was a pack of 5 for, I think it was like $7 to $9 that I had bought it for. And it's called, the package that I bought is called Ibiza, and I'll put it right here so you guys can spell it correctly. All 5 presets are amazing. I love the presets. They have their own little color and variation to them, obviously, but I use one specific preset for all of my Instagram pictures, and that's just my personal favorite one to use. So I'm going to be showing you the app that I use and how I change the settings within the preset that I use. For example, sometimes pictures will be a little darker, or the contrast will not be kind of where I want it to be. So I kind of just fidget around with those tools within the preset and just kind of change it to how I like it. I only use one app. Sorry, I'm looking at my phone. I only use one app to edit my Instagram pictures. I know, crazy. A lot of people I see on YouTube use like 2 to maybe 4 apps just to edit Instagram pictures. I use one app, and the app that I use is Lightroom. I'm gonna flip my camera, that way you guys can see what I'm doing on my phone.
Okay, so ignore that red bar at the top. I'm doing a screen recording. I'm going to open my Lightroom app and scroll all the way to the right where it says reset and hit all. So this is what my picture looks like before my preset. I'm going to go to my presets and hit the 4th preset. This is my favorite one to use. And I'm going to start switching the brightness. So I'm going to go to the light category and start messing with the exposure. I think I only went to about like a 3 or 5 extra to what the exposure already was, just to brighten the picture a little bit. And now I'm going to mess with the contrast, bump that up a little bit, and I start messing with the shadows and the blackness. I feel like there was a little bit too much shadow going on, so I bumped that up to where there was not too much shadow, and that is what I'm doing right now. And now I'm going to color, and I'm going to add some vibrance and bump that up a little bit. I'm going to go to the effects tab and also mess with the clarity just to see if I want to increase or decrease the clarity on this picture. And then now I'm going to sharpen the picture as much as I can without deforming it too much. And I'm going back to the light area just to really see if I want to change any other settings or tools on this. I think I turned down the whiteness of the picture a lot of it, actually. You can see me like going back and forth because I couldn't decide what I wanted. So I turned down the whiteness to 34, negative 34. And then I just hit save to camera roll and I hit maximum available. This part took a little while on my phone. I think it's because I have low phone storage, so don't mind this part. It might be faster on your phone. But this is all I do to edit my pictures for Instagram. Once it's saved to my phone, I just go to Instagram and then upload it as it is. I don't change anything with the Instagram tools. This is exactly how I post my pictures, and it's very simple, very easy, and I just love this app that I use and presets that I use.
They start construction right in the middle of me filming. If you guys hear background noise, please ignore that. They are doing construction outside, and it's a good thing I'm wrapping this video up because that would be annoying for you guys to hear that noise the whole time I'm filming. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I really don't do much to my pictures. I kind of just adjust the settings within the preset. Just kind of mess around with the brightness and the saturation and things like that. I keep my pictures as simple as possible because I think that's just the best thing to do. I notice a lot of like fake and photoshopped pictures on Instagram, and I just don't really like vibe with that kind of thing. So I keep my stuff as simple as possible, and that's just how I like my pictures to come out. So if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will post my Instagram and Twitter up here so you guys can follow me on that, and also in the description box too in case it's not up here. But if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.